So we're done with the ZRB. Gotta cut this shit. I think I'm gonna clean it when I'm over there. I'm gonna go to AutoZone, buy that shit, clean it little by little. Buy some of this shit. This shit looking nice. Made in USA. I should have got the one that made in Japan. JDM as fuck. Alright, yo. Close this bad boy. Boom. Foreign. The real foreign. I'm gonna be doing work on this this is a Elantra? I'll be working on this soon. Doing the rear brakes, the pads only.
This thing was parked right in the puddle too.
With the new shoes too. But yeah, my belt was squeaking a lot, especially in the mornings or after the rain. So I had to change that out to go. Plus it was cracking. When I saw that little hole, I was like, nah, I gotta change this ASAP before it pops on me. Now I don't know what happens. I haven't even looked up what happens when that happens. But yeah, I don't want to know. That shit remind me when I was a kid. I used to have a bicycle. I used to put a can in the back of the bicycle. Yo, just like that, bro. But yo, pull up in front of me in case someone. Well, I want to see if the gas station, the car wash is open, so I could give it a wash. Want to give this a nice wash. And want to clean it up. So the belt was definitely not hard. Placing that belt, I've seen a lot of videos. Cause before I got myself into it, I kind of wanted to see what I was gonna get myself into. And every video I saw, even like mechanics in their shop, they would take the wheel out, like the whole tire, the front right tire out. And I don't know for what, because as you guys saw, just turn the wheel all the way to the right and you get that space open right there. Now the rest is easy. The rest is easy, you know. see how nice it looks like. So about the guys, the bean delivery.
It's a Corona free car. Corona free. She was brand new. Look at that boy. You got 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
This Maguire Supreme Shine wipes on the outside. I do use them for the inside, but when you put it on the outside, it looks way better. And you put it on the bumpers. If you got the CRV that came with this, and it looks way. I also did a hit. I hate this, but it's not coming out. But yeah. For the most part, it's looking nice.